And I will always love you. I will always love you. Hey singers, you're welcome back again to How to Sing with RJ. I noticed that the last video I did on diaphragmatic breathing had lots of views, likes and comments. Well, thank you so much for your love and support. Today I'm taking a step further. I'm going to show you how to sing with your diaphragm with some vocal examples live. Okay, now we're not going to need any instruments, just your natural voice. Are you ready? Let's go! Now let's take a quick reminder. Singing from your diaphragm means breathing with power and with efficiency. It means breathing efficiently and powerfully. Now, that means you're not breathing from up here. You're not breathing from up here, but you are breathing from where? Here. You are breathing from here, not here. Your tummy moves forward. That's when you know you are breathing from your diaphragm. Now, as you sing, your diaphragm pushes the air out gradually. Take a deep breath through your nose. And as you take that deep breath, feel your belly expand. Then, you're going to breathe out with a hiss. Okay? Now, let's do it. Now that's your diaphragm working. You see that control? You have to keep it. That is what you need when you sing. Let's apply that to singing. You're going to take a deep belly breath and sing a long note on ah. Okay? Now you're going to hold it as long as you can. Now you're going to notice how my shoulders stay relaxed. But while my shoulders are relaxed, my belly is going inwards. Take a deep breath and sing ah. You see, I'm feeling it here. My belly was going inwards while I was singing the ah. My shoulders were relaxed. It was not going up like ah. No, it was more like ah. Now that is diaphragm control. But if you actually run out of air while you're taking that ah sound, that means you're probably letting the air go out too fast. Try taking it gently and slowly and supported. Let's add some expression using the diaphragm. Take a deep breath and sing this pattern softly. Ah, then you're going to take it from soft to loud and then soft again. Again. Let your diaphragm control the power. You can feel your belly tighten while you go louder and feel it soften when you go softer. Now that is diaphragm control. That is breath control in action. Let's apply this to a real phrase. I'm going to use a simple line and you can sing it too. I will rise again. Now you're going to take a deep breath from your belly before singing and keep that airflow steady as you hold the phrase. Now make sure that your stomach moves in naturally while you sing. Now let's go. I will rise again. You see? Now my belly was moving inwards while I was singing naturally. Okay? Not my chest, but my belly. Let's do that again. Breathe in and sing, then feel your belly go inward. Let's go. I will rise again. Now you see that smooth flow of air? That is what makes your tone sound rich, steady, and powerful without straining your throat. Here is a challenge for you. Pick any line from your favorite song, no background music, just your natural voice, and sing it using your diaphragm. Focus on your breathing. Focus on your breathing, your belly movement, okay? Not the note accuracy. Record yourself and compare. You will feel the strength and control improve immediately. So that's how you sing from your diaphragm. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying I'm practicing diaphragmatic singing. Remember, stay consistent, keep practicing daily, and remember, your breath is your power. See you in the next video.